Hey, today we're going to build a nice stool in the mid-century style and speak some English. Enjoy it! First of all, we need to rip down our material, and for that we will use our trusty table saw. Now that we have used the table saw to joint and mill the stock, we now have to lay out the joinery and yeah, let's do it. So the stool is now dry and we now have to finish all the surfaces, and for that we are going to use the hand plane. So let's get going. Today I also want to show you a really cool product. It's called stain pad, and you have these big pads that you just cut to size, and they have a special surface so they are not rubbing against materials. So if you go over this OSB, which is very rough, you have no resistance at all, so it's very easy to apply all kinds of finish to wood. And yeah, we are now going to try it out on this nice beach stool. Let's go! The stool is now ready, and the last step that we have to do is the weaving. But before we do the weaving, I will explain to you why I am talking in English today. I get a lot of questions to do English videos because my Instagram followership is mostly English. So this video is kind of an experiment to see if the English people react well to it. Und für die Deutschen, die das vielleicht nochmal auf Deutsch hören wollen, Ich bekomme relativ viele Anfragen, mal ein Video auf Englisch zu machen, damit die englischen Leute auch verstehen, was hier so passiert, obwohl man das ja eigentlich sieht. Deswegen ist dieses Video jetzt mal auf Englisch als kleines Experiment. Ihr habt ja trotzdem gesehen, was passiert, also der Prozess sollte trotzdem klar sein. Ja, und da wir das erklärt haben, zurück zum Englischen, back to English. Yeah, we are now going to do the weaving, and after we finished weaving, I will take some beauty shots of the stool and show you the result. And furthermore, see you next time.